Today's recipe is sandwich with chicken leftovers. And the first thing that you want to do is to strip off the meat from the bone. You want the clean meat only. Now with the meat nice and clean, we're gonna chop it up finely. Now it doesn't come as a surprise. Chicken, after being cooked and left probably in the fridge for a day or two, is quite dry and boring, but we're gonna bring it to life with about 3 tablespoons of mayo. Obviously, depending on how much chicken leftover you've got, you might need to add more or less. Now with the mayo in, let's go in with the seasoning. Now don't get me wrong, you could go simple with salt and pepper if you want to, but I also want to add a few other things in there. So salt first, a good 1/4 teaspoon, and a good pinch of freshly grounded black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of mild curry powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Now I don't want to add any more smoked paprika. The reason being is because I also want to get in about 100 grams of grated smoked cheddar. And I have here about 1 tablespoon of chopped chives that go straight in too. Now mix everything together until well combined. Taste and see if the seasoning is appropriate. If not, just adjust to your liking. Now my guess here is that you're most likely gonna be using shop-bought bread, which is fine because that's what I'm using today. Now we're gonna bring this to life by toasting it with a bit of butter straight in the pan, and you're gonna bring this to a whole new level. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.